How to upload a video on your Facebook profile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily upload a video on your Facebook profile if you do not see the option of video. So for that, firstly open Facebook application, go to your profile. Now as you can see, there's no option of video. Either there is reel or live. So simply click on what's on your mind and choose the option of photo/video. Choose your video, write something about the video in the caption, and then edit the privacy of your post. Once you have chosen the friends, the album, and also other features like sticker or if you want to tag someone, you can do so. After you're done editing the post, simply click on post icon at the top right corner and then you're good to go. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to upload a video on your Facebook profile. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.